Hi friends, this is Mohammad Jibran and welcome to our C# Visual Studios tutorials. In this video, I'm going to explain you something about the events. So what are events? Well, in the simple language, events can be understood as it's something which a user performs on your application or on any element or any tool. Okay, so let me show you, it will make you more easier to understand that. Suppose if we have button on our form, then what basically you can do with it, basically what a user can do with it is simple. He can click onto it. Okay, so what till now we have did is whenever the user used to click, we did something on that. Let me like this we used to do. Okay, we used to show him a dialog box saying something. So here we will say button has been clicked. Okay, so there is only not only one event with a button, there are many more events. So if you would like to see the all the list of the events that can be associated with a button, so for that you need to just simply go to your properties tab, and in that click on this lightning bolt. Okay, this it says events, so make sure you have your button selected and click this lightning bolt, and what you see over here are the list of the events. Okay, all the events. Since we have already used this click event, button click event, so you can see button 1 underscore click. You have many more events over here. So I'm going to explain you some events. You can explore remaining on your own. So let me say mouse hover. Okay, mouse hover means whenever your user keeps your mouse or takes your mouse over your button, then this event will be fired. So we'll go and select this, double click this mouse hover event, and in that I will say button 1 dot text equals mouse hover. Okay, so whenever we hover our mouse on our button, we are going to see that text. Let us check it. Okay, let me run our application. Here is it. So what we did a mouse hover event and a mouse click event. So mouse click event will pop up a message box, and the mouse hover event will change the text of this button. From button 1 it will go to mouse hover. So let's try it. You see, I did not did anything, I just kept my mouse on the button and it changed its text. And now if I click on it, I get this dialog box. Okay, button has been clicked. Okay, so these are the events, and we'll see some more events like yeah, mouse enter. Okay, mouse enter means whenever the user's mouse enters the button, this message will be displayed to him. So I will do the same thing over here. I will say button 1 dot text equals mouse enter. Okay, and then you have one more event saying mouse leave. Okay, so we will use this event to say button 1 dot text equals mouse leave. Okay, so now what happens whenever we enter the keep our mouse or keep our pointer on the button, it will show mouse enter for a fraction of second, then it will go for mouse over. After that, when we remove our pointer, it will say mouse leave. Okay, so let's run our application. So now if I put my pointer on my on the button, I should get mouse enter, and if after a few fraction of second I should get mouse over, and when I remove our mouse, it should say mouse leave. So you see, mouse enter, then mouse over, and if I remove the pointer, it says mouse leave. Fine. So you see, mouse enter, mouse over, mouse leave, mouse enter, hover, leave. So these are the events which can be performed on a button. So there are many other events also. If you would like to have a look over them, you can have drag leave, drag drop, dock change, cursor. You just double click on them, and you can write anything on it, and you will understand when that event occurs. So every event, even a form has certain events. You can see click event, double click, drag drop. Okay, so these are events. Every element or every tool which you see over here has got some events. So explore them on your own, and if you need any help, let me know. So hope you liked the video, and thanks for watching it.